Thinking about deleting your Shein account? Whether you're taking a break or leaving for good, I'll show you the exact steps to remove your account permanently. First, open the Shein app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the Me icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. This is where all your personal account settings are located. Next, look at the upper right corner and tap the settings icon, a small gear symbol. This will open the settings menu, where you can adjust various account preferences. Scroll down until you see the Manage My Account option, then tap on it. Here, you'll find different settings related to your account details, privacy, and security. Among these options, look for Delete Account and tap on it. Before proceeding, Shein will provide a detailed explanation of what deleting your account means. You won't just be able to delete your account instantly, you will need to apply for account deletion first. If you're sure about your decision, tap Apply to Delete Account. This will submit a request for your account to be permanently removed. Shein may ask you to confirm your request by verifying your account, so follow any additional prompts if needed. Your request to delete your Shein account has been submitted. Just remember, this action is usually irreversible, so be certain before proceeding. If this guide helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.